Hi, I'm Alexander Paul Morris, your host for this cross episode of Hot Roast and Mo Money, where we're going to give you a little celeb, a little bit of money, and a little bit of honey. All the marketing hype around CNBC's celebrity portfolios for their contest is just insane. But then again, what more can you ask for from a game where the goal is all about taking a long shot on a stock and hoping your bet pays off? Bottom fishers galore. If you can go all in and catch a falling knife at just the right moment, you may pull off a sweet double, as did Chuck Chow in picking up a boatload of Fremont General at just the right time. Yet, I still find it amusing to hear some of the trading wisdom of celebrity actors on CNBC, such as Jonathan Tucker from the Black Donnellys, currently first place among these celebs, a far stretch from first place in the overall game. It's interesting to watch Tucker deliver his market perspectives to the masses via CNBC with such authoritative confidence on a topic he likely knows little about. However, viewers are still curious to listen, likely since most of us are always seeking certainty in an uncertain world, from wherever we can be fooled into believing we've found it. It's also entertaining to see that these celebrity actors are generally no less clueless than at least a few speakers I've seen on CNBC who truly claim to be experts. At what, I have no idea. Perhaps balls and confidence really is all it takes. I mean, who even needs a track record? Let's just go back and ask Brian Hunter, formerly of Amaranth fame, for a few of his long shot picks. I hear now he started a new hedge fund again, and given this perspective, it wouldn't surprise me that he'll still manage to find at least a few people willing to bet that he won't blow out a third time. And the SEC wants to raise the bar for more knowledgeable, accredited investors. Perhaps they should just have investors pass a don't be stupid investing exam instead.
Duh.
Hi, I'm Alexander Paul Morris, here reporting for you on the $1 Million Portfolio Challenge. And today I have a great interview for you with Vienna Marriott, one of the celebrity investors for the contest. And right now she's just about at the top of her rankings. We are so honored to have her spend a little time with us out of her busy investing schedule. Vienna, it's a pleasure to have you with us.
Oh, Alexander, the pleasure's all mine.
Thank you so much for coming on the show. Listen, you've so far had some really great success in your, portfolio, and we thought maybe you could share some of your insights and research and such, that you've done into being able to pick some of the, great stocks that I guess you must have picked in order to get the ratings and rankings that you've achieved.
Oh, sure. I love to share. I don't mind sharing what's in my portfolio.
Oh my. I think one of the stocks you have in your portfolio is Chaparral Steel, right?
Yes, it is.
CHAP.
Yes. Oh my God. Steel is like so hot right now. Chaparral Steel stocks have been very strong lately, and Chaparral keeps blowing out its earnings. I believe it has nice legs for another nice run, especially trading about 11 times forward earnings. Also, it has very little debt and also pays a little bit of dividend. So there's always a nice group of traders betting the stock will go down, which also helps it go up even more when they buy it back higher. So needless to say, I am positioned long in Chaparral.
She's long Chaparral. Now, I think you have another stock for us that you'd like to share as well. I think you have a little bit about NBIX in your portfolio as well. Why don't you share a little bit about that one with us?
Correct. It's Neurocrine Biosciences, and they have a deal with Pfizer, and they could have what may be the absolute freaking best sleeping pills available on the market. And,
You know about sleeping pills.
London to Los Angeles flights, I've tried quite a few, so I am way into NBIX. Anyway, the stock just moved up really nicely, steadily after presenting at Lehman's Global Healthcare Conference. So seeing how it has moved in the past, it could have room to move just a bit further. So there's like lots of people shorting the stock, hoping it goes down. It has little debt, good to load up for a long shot in the $1 Million Portfolio Challenge.
That's great. I'm sure our viewers are so interested to hear that. And I mean, you just made their day by coming on the show. And you made my day by appearing. for us. I'm so grateful. I'm so thankful to have seen you. I mean, it's always a pleasure to have you on the show. Now,
Dinner later.
Well, listen, I have a little question for you. Well, you already know the answer to that. I mean, of course. But let me just ask you, for our viewers, they all like to know. I mean, the market overall. I mean, long or short?
Oh, I like it long. Real long.
Well, there you have it, folks. Tune in next time. We look forward to having you back, and thanks again for joining us.